In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting on Microsoft Teams and obtain the meeting link. This simple process will allow you to connect with colleagues, friends, or anyone else for your upcoming virtual gatherings. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to go to your web browser and type in teams.microsoft.com. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have an account, you can create one quickly and easily. Signing in ensures that all of your meetings, collaborations, and communications are seamless and secure. Once you are logged in, you will see a variety of options to help you navigate through Microsoft Teams. Now, let's move on to opening the calendar. To do this, look towards the left-hand sidebar of your Microsoft Teams interface. You should see a calendar icon there. Click on it, and it will open up the calendar view. This area is your hub for scheduling any future meetings or checking your availability. After your calendar view is open, spot and click on the plus New Meeting button. This will take you to the section where you can enter all the details for your upcoming meeting. Now that you've reached the meeting details page, let's fill it in. Start by adding a title for your meeting. This title should be descriptive enough so that participants know what to expect. Next, set the date and time for when you want the meeting to occur. If you're setting a meeting far in advance, make sure to double-check the time zone settings to avoid any confusion later on. Adding participants can be done at this stage as well, but if you're still unsure about who to invite, you can always add them later. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and you're satisfied with the setup, click the Save button to finalize your meeting. The next step is to get the meeting link, which you can share with participants. To do this, go back to your calendar and look for your scheduled meeting. Open the meeting by clicking on it. You will see a number of options here, but what you're looking for is the Copy Link button. Click on that and the link to your meeting will be copied to your clipboard. Now you can paste this link wherever you wish, such as in an email, message, or chat, to invite others to join. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can efficiently schedule meetings on Microsoft Teams and share the link with your participants. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel confident using this platform for your upcoming meetings. Thanks for watching and have a great day.